Now see that room? I did at least half the room, and that came up in probably 10 minutes. I probably talked more than that, didn't I? But I talked, most of the time I talked, I was working. Okay? If it comes up that good for you, count yourself lucky. The test continues. Okay, I've let it go an extra 15 minutes on here. That seems to be coming off a little bit easier. I think that's the key. Man, that's still gonna take a while. That's still gonna take a while. See there? Do I really want to do this entire floor that way? I don't know. I might get it up this far and then use a razor scraper. They have a little hand razor scraper that maybe will get the rest of that, or at least get some of it so I don't have to scrape it all. You know? And in fact, I have a little cleaning razor. I could mimic that. I might have to get that and try to see what I can do if I get it like that far. And then if I can use that to break it up. Okay, so that's one thought. Let me try this other patch here. Wow, I don't know. See, there's still lots of stuff on there. I don't want to just stain over that. That would look terrible. I just don't know how much time and effort I want to spend in doing this. Okay, let me get the razor. I'll get a little cleaning razor blade and see what that does at this point. That might be the ticket, we'll see. We're going to try a razor here, and I like these kind because you can kind of push on it and stuff. To get the blade out, you push it all the way out, then you push it sideways right there. Take it out, slip it back like that, and then you want to push this back just until it clicks like that. Then that locks it in. And if you ever do want to get one of these, and you know you're going to do a lot of stuff, get this in a 100 pack. See here, 100 blades. Don't buy the 10 pack ones. Maybe you buy 5 10 packs for 50, and maybe that costs you just as much as buying 100 in a pack like this, and then you got the extra 50 for free, and you can use them for something else. There's a tip for you.